Many people think that when we say we eat bamboo shoot, they think that we actually eat bamboos like pandas.
वहाँ पे बैम्बू सूप खिलाऊंगा आपके लिए बैम्बू सूप मैं बाम्बू खाने के लिए आ रहा हूँ
जुटा एवरीबडी, आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ mixed vegetable stew with fermented dry fish. The ingredients required are culantro, Thai coriander, bamboo shoot, tomato, potato, king chili, fermented dry fish, chive roots, and garlic. The stew preparation is very easy. First, we have to cut this bamboo shoot in small pieces. We'll have to boil them and get rid of the water because it will carry a very bitter taste. So we call this bamboo shoot in Dimasa, we call it Mia Washe. Okay, the water goes in. Now we'll cut this bamboo shoot in thin pieces. I prefer cutting them in these pieces, long. Wow. बहुत लोगों को पता है या नहीं, बट मैंने 365 डेज का थाली चैलेंज किया है. अभी मैं 60 समथिंग प्लेट में हूँ, तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स आते हैं एंड आई गेट अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिकिंग आल्सो, व्हिच इज आल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर मी टू ग्रो एंड लर्न व्हाट मोर कैन आई डू, व्हाट न्यू कैन आई ब्रिंग टू द थाली. बट कल एक कमेंट आया, उस कमेंट में लिखा है कि ये फूड, द फूड ऑन योर प्लेट विल नॉट बी ईटन बाय नियंदरथल. तो दैट वाज अ वेरी शॉकिंग. तो मेरा जो खाना है, हमारे पूर्वज भी नहीं खाते होंगे नियंदरथल. So people like this also exist. They write comments to bring your morale down, but I really don't care. चलो इसको बॉईल कर देते हैं. So ये पानी धीरे धीरे बॉईल हो रहा है. Now let's add our miyawashi. This is also one different form of bamboo shoot. Many people think that when we say we eat bamboo shoot, they think that we actually eat bamboos like pandas. It is not so. So there are variety of bamboo shoot. There's just not one variety of bamboo shoot. There are varieties of bamboo shoot. ये mixed vegetable stew है, थोड़ा खट्टा होगा, थोड़ा सा fermented dry fish का taste आएगा, थोड़ा umami आएगा उसमें. So prefer cutting the potatoes in cubes. Wow, look. Let's put it off. And now we'll get rid of the water. Time to cook our stew. First, we'll add water. Then we'll add fermented dry fish, 3 of it. Then we'll add this chive roots. If you don't have this, you can always use onion. But I like the flavor of it and it's seasonal. And then we'll add tomatoes. So let's see ये अच्छे से बॉईल हुआ या नहीं. Now we'll add this. Oh, समर के लिए ये सारे stew, it's so refreshing. Now it's time to add our favorite king chili. Maybe I'll put 2. Okay, 2. Wow. Yes, come look, see, it's looking amazing. So it's looking like this. So now what we'll do, we'll collect all the potatoes and then we'll mash it here. Now let's add this to thicken the broth. Ooh, wow. अब इसमें हम garlic डालेंगे for the aromatics and little bit of culantro. बस. You don't need much. In goes the lasan, garlic, and in the end we'll just tear up this Thai coriander, our culantro. I have learned that if you tear it with your hands, it leaves more aroma, more flavor. और अब इसको finally एक last बार चला लेते हैं. And then it is ready to eat. अगर इसमें हम भांडा डालते, भांडा बलाई is if I'm not wrong is giant basil, not the holy basil. उसका एरोमा बहुत ही इसके साथ सूट करता है इस स्टू में. But today I am using bakhor. So this is done. You can put it off. Our vegetable stew Vegetable stew, our curry is ready. Look, and now it's time to taste. बहुत सारा चावल खा सकते हैं इससे. Okay, काफी गर्म है. एंड 2 किंग चिली से इट गिव्स यू दैट पंच फॉर श्योर. आप लोग हिंदी में बोलेंगे बहुत मोर्चा ज्यादा है. सो आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश इट ऑल. खाना खाने का टाइम भी हो गया है. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. See you all in the next episode. Bye bye.